Another day. Another video from your friends at Trojan on Solana. Today, we're diving into gas. You've heard about it, maybe never quite got what it is, why it matters, or how to manage it like a pro. Let's change that. Think of gas in crypto the way you think of gas in a car. You need it to keep things moving. In simple terms, gas is the network fee you pay to execute a transaction. On Solana, gas comes in two parts: token account creation and your priority fee. Sounds complex, but it's simpler than it seems. First, at token account creation. Some call it token rent or default gas. It's a small charge, 0.002 SOL, period. This is Solana's way of reserving space in your wallet for each token you buy. Think of it like a deposit. It sits there while you hold the token. When you sell, you can reclaim that SOL using Trojan's close and claim function in the burn menu. Next up, the priority fee, also called the gas tip or the bribe. This is what speeds things up, gets your trade processed first in line. Trojan makes it easy with two default settings: fast at 0.0015 SOL, turbo at 0.0075 SOL, or set a custom amount in settings. Want a different setup just for sells? Use the sell priority fee override. Leave it blank and your sell fee matches your buy. So where does it go? Gas pays the validators, the computers running Solana. Or it can be sent to Jito, a service arranging private transactions for MEV protection. No need to separate it if you're using MEV protection. We optimize that for you. Now, when do you adjust it? If the network's busy, or if you're using MEV protection, raising your fee can prevent timeouts. Sniping or copy trading? Speed matters. You'll often need to bump your gas higher. That's why gas settings live in both sniping and copy trade menus separately. One last tip. Think in SOL, but keep fiat in mind. Gas applies to buys, sells, even failed transactions. So if gas costs you $2, placing a $5 trade doesn't make much sense. Plan accordingly. And if you need clarity, check a SOL to USD calculator to do the math. If you've got questions, our support chat is always open.